Ever searched your name online and found your personal details exposed? Sites like UnMask.com collect and publish phone numbers, addresses, and more, making them available to anyone. If you want to keep your information private, I'll show you exactly how to remove it. But first, what is Unmask.com? Unmask.com is a people search site that compiles personal information from public records and online sources. If you're listed, opting out is the best way to protect your privacy and prevent unwanted exposure. Follow these steps to remove your data from Unmask.com. Step 1. Navigate to Unmask.com. Step 2. Scroll down and click Do Not Sell or Share My Personal Information. Step 3. On the opt-out page, enter your first and last name, city, and state. Complete the CAPTCHA and click Search to find your listing. Step 4. Locate your record and click Delete Record. To find your listing faster, check address history, relatives, or sort results by age, name, or relevance. Step 5. Enter your first and last name, valid email address, complete the CAPTCHA, and click Submit. Tip: use a separate or disposable email address for opt-out requests to prevent data brokers from storing your personal or business email. Step 6. Check your email inbox for a confirmation message from unmask.com and click Confirm Request to finalize the removal. Your request has been submitted and should be processed within 5 to 7 days. Note: removed records may still appear on Google for a short time. You can speed up the process using Google's outdated content removal tool. Removing your data from unmask.com is a great step, but your personal details are still exposed on many other data broker sites. Instead of opting out manually from 160-plus data brokers, let Delete My Info do it for you. We remove your personal details from Google and major data brokers, saving you time and effort. Take control of your privacy today. Visit DeleteMyInfo.com now. Like and subscribe for more privacy protection tips. Stay safe online.